Hi student, welcome to botany class. Today we are going to see the continuation of classification of fungi. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the phycomycetes, oomycetes and ascomycetes. Now we are going to see the class Basidiomycetes or Basidiomycota. It come under the kingdom fungi, subkingdom Dicaria. We already know that. What is a Dicaria? Two nucleus stage, that is a dikarya. Each in the hyphae, each cell have two nucleus stage. And phylum Basidiomycota or Basidiomycetes. The Basidiomycetes is include puff valve, this is a puff valve, tassel, this is a tassel, bird nest fungi, this is a bird nest fungi, bracket fungi, this is a bracket fungi, sting horns, this is a sting horns, rust fungi, so that is a rust, and smut fungi, this is a smut fungi. So this all group of fungi, it will be classified under the phylum or class Basidiomycetes or Basidiomycota. These members are terrestrial and it leads to the saprophytic and the parasitic mode of life. Saprophytic, they will be grow on the dead and decaying matter of the plants and the animal and the fecal matter of the animal. Parasitic, it will grow on or inside the another living organism, that is a host organism. By causing the disease, it gets the food material. So here only one organism are benefited, that is parasitic organism are benefited, the host organism are suffer. The mycelium is well developed and septate with doliphore, that is very important. The doliphore septum, that is a bracket like septum. But in ascomycete, a simple septum is present. But here, that is the doliphore septum, so it resembles like a word. That is a doliphore. Okay, so small gap is present. That is a parathelsum. It's a hyphae wall. It's an endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so that is a doliphore septum. A minute opening is present. From that opening, there will be extended cytoplasm and the nuclear material like that. Okay, that is a doliphore septum. But previously in ascomycete, the simple septum is present. So here the doliphore septum. The three type of mycelium is present in Basidiomycetes. What is it? Primary, secondary and tertiary or tertiary. Primary mycelium, it will be formed directly from the Basidiospore. When the Basidiospore germinate to form primary mycelium, it mostly haploid uninucleate stage. Now all the hyphae is uninucleated. Okay, so here. So these two are opposite state. So that is a Basidiospore. It germinate to form the primary mycelium. And then secondary, that is a dikaryotic mycelium. It resembles like a ascomycetes. When the two stain, it will fuse together. That is a primary and the two primary mycelium with opposite stain, plus and minus. As a result, the plasmogamy is occurred, but karyogamy is never occurred. So it will be each cell of the hyphae is of the two nucleus. Okay. And tertiary mycelium, that means it similar to secondary mycelium, but it will be form the fruit bodies with thick wall. Form the fruit bodies with a thick wall. So what is the fruit body, sir? It is a reproductive part. Mostly the primary mycelium is present in the under the substratum. The primary mycelium is mostly present under the substratum. The secondary mycelium only we can visible, and tertiary mycelium is from the fruit body, that is a sixth organ. The clamp connection is occur, as a result they will be formed the dikaryotic condition. So what is the clamp connection? So here it will be clearly said that so hyphae fusion is occur. So hyphae fusion is over, as a result the cell is contained the two opposite state. So now they want to exchange. So the clamp cell formation is occur. So during the clamp cell formation, each nucleus in the single cell, each nucleus is undergo the mitotic division for the black and the white. You can imagine this is a black, this is a white. The two opposite nucleus is present, and each is undergo the mitotic division. As it's the clamp, it will be fused with the next cell. So here the bond formation is occur. So each cell have the two opposite state nucleus, that is dikaryotic nucleus. Again, it will be formed another one like that. It's a clamp connection. As well, it will be exchange the genetic material. Okay, so here the nuclear exchange, the septal dissolution. So the septal wall will be dissolved. That means it will be destroyed. And the nuclear migration is occur. That is a nuclear migration. Now the nuclear pairing, clamp cell formation, synchronization of the nuclear division, and the clamp cell septation. Septation means the septa formation. And then clamp cell fusion is occur. Later, each cell have the two opposite nucleus. Okay, so the clamp condition is formed to maintain dikaryotic condition. That is very, very important. Where it is formed during the secondary mycelium. During the formation of secondary mycelium. Secondary mycelium is only visible. It's an aerial part. Asexual reproduction in basidial mycelium, there are gonidia formation, oidia and budding. So these are things we have already discussed. The sexual reproduction is present, but there is no formation of sex organ. Sexual reproduction is present, but like in ascomycetes, that is ascogonium and orgonium is never formed. The sex organ are absent. Somatogamy, that is fission, plasmogamy. Somatogamy, spermatization result in the plasmogamy. Somatogamy or spermatization result in the plasmogamy. Karyogamy is delayed and dikaryotic phase is prolonged, like in ascomycetes. Karyogamy is delayed. The fission of nucleus is delayed. As a result, the dikaryotic nucleus stage is prolonged for several generations. Karyogamy takes place in the basidium and it's immediately followed by meiotic division. If the karyogamy is occur, that is a fission of nucleus is occur, as a result from the diploid zygote. Now the diploid zygote is undergo the meiotic division as a result from the four basidiospore. Four basidiospore are formed. Okay, so here the plasmogamy, strain 1 and 2, plasmogamy is formed. It's a primary. Each is a primary hyphae. Also, it's a dikaryotic mycelium is formed. It is a secondary hyphae. Dikaryotic state. It's a secondary hyphae. When the fission of nucleus is occur, mean as a form the fruit body, that is a basidium. The four nuclei is formed or transformed into basidiospore. Karyogamy is occur. As the zygote, single nucleus is formed. This single nucleus is undergo the meiotic as a form four nucleus, like in ascus. So four nucleus that are formed and transformed to basidiospore, which is born on the sterigmata. Listen, this is sterigmata. Each is a basidiospore. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is sterigmata. 4 nucleus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 basidiospore are formed. Sterigmata and outside the basidium. So the basidiospore formation is exogenous, but in ascomycete it's endogenous because it's formed inside the sac-like structure. But here it will form in the outside the basidium. Okay, so easily it will be what? It will be detached from the parental body and it will be germinate to form a new mycelia. Okay. The basidium is a club-like shape which form basidiospore. So it looks like the club shape. So that's why the Basidiomyces is generally called the club fungi. Ascomyces is a sac fungi. Basidiomyces is a club fungi. This is a group of fungi is popularly called club fungi. The fruit body is formed is called basidiocarp. The fruit body is generally called basidiocarp. So each is a basidium. It will form the 4 basidiospore. That's a life cycle of Basidiomyces. Listen. So here the basidiospores are formed. Okay. So this basidiospores is germinate to form the hyphae. The hyphae is undergo the plasmogamy as result from the dikaryotic condition. This dikaryotic condition is undergo to form the fruit body. Okay, so when the fusion of the nucleus is occur, that is a karyogamy is occur, as from the zygote. This zygote is undergo, that is a diploid nucleus, is undergo the meiosis as from the 4 nucleus. It later transferred to the basidiospore. Later it will be organized to form basidiospore. It will be formed on the sterigmata. So it will be formed at the tip of the basidium. That's why it's called is a exospore. Later it will be detached from the parental body and germinate to form the again new mycelium. That is a life cycle of Basidiomyces. So next, Deuteromyces are fungi imperfect or imperfecting. Why it's called is a fungi imperfect? Because the sexual reproduction is absent. Okay, so this fungi is belongs to this group is late sexual reproduction and are called imperfect fungi. There are large number of the species are sporophyte, so saprophyte in the soil, and many of the plants and the animal parasite. So very common, large number of this group, it's a saprophyte, and some are it will be parasite under plants and the animal. The asexual reproduction, that is the formation of gonidia, chlamydospore, budding and idea. These are all the things we already discussed. You can see the previous video. The gonidia are produced in a special structure is called pygidium, as well as sporodocycum and synecmata. So these are the gonidia forming structure. And parasexual cycle is operate this group of fungi. So what is the parasexual? So here the genetic recombination occur. Genetic recombination is occur, but there is no formation of the sex organ. Okay. So this is bring the genetic variation among the species. It's relating or being the reproduction that result in the recombination. Is relating or being the reproduction that results in the recombination of gene on different individual, but it does not involve the meiosis and the formation of zygote. It does not involve the meiosis and the formation of zygote, but genetic recombinations occur. So here is a parasexual cycle, 2 opposite state. So it will be fused to form the dikaryotic condition. So later this dikaryotic condition is undergo the replication or undergo the asexual reproduction. It form a different state. Okay, so plasmogamy, not the karyogamy is occur. That is a dikaryotic condition with the 2 opposite state. With the 2 opposite, that is a heterokaryotic mycelium. This heterokaryotic mycelium, it will be again to form a different gene recombination. For example, FWNA here and PYRG. So it's a one form, it will be regenerated. And OLVA, PYRG. So it is a recombination. OLVA, PYRG. So here. So it is a recombination variety. FWNA, ORGP. It is also a recombination. OLVA and ORGP. It is a parental. So this one is a parental. These 2 are a new recombination. Okay. So you can see that clearly this picture. It will very help to understand the parasexual cycle. 2 hyphae are fused accession, the dikaryotic nucleus or heterokaryotic nucleus are present. Later, it will asexually form a different type of mycelia. Each mycelia, the two is a parental, another two is a recombination. Thank you, student.